What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a endoscope. This has a dual lens. So with this being a dual lens, you can actually look down a pipe two different ways. Let's say if you're going down a pipe and it's a T, you still want to look down and you want to look to the left or the right. You can turn it. You don't have to try to bend this in a certain angle while you're down a pipe, and it's hard to see the other side of a straight pipe when it's going the opposite direction of where you're looking at. It's hard to bend this thing while it's in a pipe. Here is the product right here. This is a paid review. I want to send a shout out to the company that sent this. I will plug them in right there. The Amazon store will be right here in the corner. I don't want to butcher their name, so I will post their company name right there, and you could check them out on Amazon if you want this product, which I think is a good product so far because I actually like the feel of this. This is a rubber grip right here. This comes with two accessories, 1, 2, 3 accessories, ladies and gentlemen, and we have the instructions. So this is a quick guide to starting this thing up. First, let's see what we have here. One, we have a hook, and the other one I think is a magnet. All right, so you can tell that's a magnet. Your endoscope has little threads on it. Don't know if you can see it, but it's little threads here. You can thread up the magnet, and there you go. So you can put this down a pipe if you lost something that's magnetic, or you're looking for something that's magnetic, or if you're working on your car and you need to get something that's maybe a bolt or something, you can go down and pick up your bolt while you're looking for it. So that's pretty cool. Test that out later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is a 4.5 inch screen right here. So the screen is pretty good. It's a decent size. Right here we have a 32 gigabyte mini or micro SD card. So that's another plus. All right, let me take this magnet off. Right here we have a hook. So if you lost something, you can, instead of using a magnet, if it's not magnetic, you can turn on your lens and camera, go down to where you're looking for, and then pick it up with your hook. This is awesome. Let's see if it comes on. All right, ILIHOME. It came on. Oh, and it comes on right away. Yes. All right, so right now I'm looking, and this camera, you guys, is good. I'm gonna try to record it through the SD card, and then I will upload it while I'm doing this. That's definitely not the right time. The battery here is green. Sorry if y'all can't see it, but this is pretty awesome. All right, we have picture mode. We have M. I don't know what that is yet, but I will let y'all know. So let me get to using this, and then I'll get to the end of this review. Okay, you guys, so on the side of this scope, you can adjust your lighting so you can make it brighter, or you could dim it down. Right, your on and off is right here. This side, I think, is the micro SD side, and we are going to check that. Let's see if it goes in, and it goes in. It says no signal. So, oh, now it's on. When I click the SD card, it can show you videos. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So those are the photos I just took. This is very quick, you guys. I took 3 photos like nothing. Okay, go back. Let me see what M is. Okay, so M is changing from single lens. When you hit M, you can go straight, or it's gonna look on the side lens. So you hit M one time to look straight, M to hit your side lens, and then M again to hit your double lens. So on here, you can change all of your settings on here. You have photo, video, your resolution. Your resolution, we at 1920, 1080p. This is 1080p resolution. Your language, English. Let's see for y'all that want to know if y'all want to change to a different language. Look like they have Chinese. French, Dutch, Portuguese. I don't know what the other ones are. Netherlands, Turkey. Oh, no Spanish? I don't know. Don't look like they have Spanish from what I see. You got your brightness here. So you could change the brightness of your screen. It's not that much of a difference, just to let you know. Okay, you guys, so that's it with the software on this. It's not too much on here. Oh yeah, and I also want to let y'all know that this part is waterproof. So of course you can stick this down your drain pipe, your sewer pipes, anything dealing with water, you can stick this down and you should be fine. All right, you guys, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the ILIHOME Borescope Endoscope, whatever they want to call it. You know, on one site it says Borescope, and then on a package it'll say Endoscope. So whatever you want to call it, that's what it's going to be. All right, my final thoughts is this is a 5-star device. All right, you guys, I cannot I won't even give this a 4-star. This is a 5-star. The camera is good. The settings are good. It's easy. What else? I actually looked down my vent pipe for y'all, and I'll post that while I'm talking. I looked down my vent pipe. I looked down. I couldn't go down my kitchen pipe because the drainage was too small for the head of the borescope to go in. So I would have to open the drain just a little bit just to get the scope down there. But I did go down the bathroom drain, too much hair down there, and I have to clean that after this video. But other than that, this 32 gigabyte hard drive is have a capacity of 30,000 pictures. If you decide to take 30,000 pictures, and it has 6 hours of video for this little mini card here. So 32 gigabytes pretty much give you what you need, or more than what you need. All right, so this is a built-in battery, everybody. Built-in battery, 3,800 milliamps of battery. This gives you 5 hours of work time. So the actual time of the hardware is even less than the time of your memory card. So they gave you a good memory card. They gave you up to 6 hours of memory card, 5 hours of actual device use. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. But another thing before I leave, a reason why I give this a 5-star is because I know I preach this a lot, but this, I do not need my phone. This is your software, your hardware, all in one thing. Now, this Depth Tech right here, Depth Tech, I don't know if they have one that's similar, but guess what I need with this? I need my phone. I cannot use this as standalone. This probably will never get used ever again, and I might actually just sell it. So that one I don't need. I could give that to somebody. Somebody could have it. I don't care. This one right here stays with me forever. That's the end of this review. I hope y'all like it. I hope that I went in depth as I could get with this unit. All right, I want to send one last shout out to the company, and I'll tag them right there. I'll plug them in right there. Don't want to butcher the name. And that's it. Like, comment, and please subscribe.